How to overlap images in Google Docs. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your Google Chrome and head over to your Google Docs. Now, if you want to overlap the images and want to put the bird in that tree, then you can see that it is not possible to move around the image. But what you can do is just tap on the image and go to the wrap text option, and then tap on the margin and go to 0. Now similarly change wrap text in this tree as well, and then change the margin to 0. Now you can freely move around the bird and the tree, and then you can put the bird right on top of the tree. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.